Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is preparations and properties of benzene. What is benzene? The benzene molecular formula is C6H6. C6H6. It is an aromatic compound. The benzene is prepared by using acetylene, 3 times of acetylene. The molecular formula of acetylene is CH triple bond CH. CH triple bond CH. 3 times of CH triple bond CH. We are taking 3 times by taking acetylene. The acetylene undergoes cyclic polymerization. So the bonds are breaking to form a benzene. C6H6. It is a aromatic compound. The alternative double bonds are present. And the next preparation for benzene is we are taking sodium benzoate. What is sodium benzoate? NaCO benzene ring. That means benzoate, sodium benzoate to form in presence of NaOH and calcium oxide undergo strongly heating. It removes Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate is removed and benzene is formed. And the next one is zinc reduction. The phenol, by we taking phenol, benzene ring carrying OH group is called as phenol. Alkoxy group is present. Alcohol is present. In presence of zinc, by strongly heating, it removes ZNO and benzene. These are the preparations of benzene. And next one is properties of benzene. In properties of benzene, the first property is by preparation for chlorobenzene using benzene. Benzene undergo chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 is a catalyst. So it forms chlorobenzene is formed. And the next preparation is nitrobenzene by using benzene. Next property is nitrobenzene formation. We are taking benzene in presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4 is in the ratio 1:5 ratio. So this ratio aquaphorgia and preparation of nitrobenzene by using this ratio. So benzene undergo nitration, it forms a nitrobenzene and water. And next preparation is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene, we are taking benzene in presence of H2SO4. It is in the state concentrated H2SO4 to form a benzene sulfonic acid. And the next preparation is methyl benzene preparation. That means we are taking benzene and methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. The methyl benzene is formed. Methyl benzene is also known as toluene and HCl. Small amount of HCl is formed. And the next preparation is estophenone. These are the benzene properties and the preparations of products names. Benzene undergo acetylation. CH3COCl, acetyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it forms a acetophenone. It forms acetophenone. So this is called as acetophenone, acetylation. And the next property of benzene is benzene undergo reduction. Benzene undergo reduction 3H2 plus nickel catalyst by strong heating. It forms a cyclohexane. And next preparation is benzene undergoes 6 times of chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It is observed in the dark and cold mediums. So it forms a hexachlorobenzene. And the next one is benzene undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight. At temperature 500 kelvins, it forms a benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride. These are the properties of benzene. Please subscribe